Physical therapy students in Dr. Joseph McCullough's Research 1 class are learning that a medical education involves communication skills too.
What we try to do in this initial class is give them some presentation skills. We teach them about public speaking, about developing good PowerPoints or other audiovisual media, about various things that come into how to handle an audience and you kind of be in charge.
It's a really cool class because we get to learn different ideas of technology and the upcoming ways of presenting that are going to capture different audiences.
I really enjoy it because it takes us out of our restricted, field of study, which is physical therapy in my case, and allows us to really stimulate our creative side of our brain.
We tried last year this technique of videotaping them in kind of a short PSA type of announcement or something for the purpose of getting them over some of their jitters. Everybody in class says they don't like public speaking. And so I said, well, there couldn't be any worse situation to get started in than to have to go before a camera.
The students paired up and wrote a PSA on a real or imagined topic and then performed it on camera.
All right, I'm Hans.
And I'm Franz.
And we're here to pump you up.
The whole goal of the PSA was to get you comfortable with being in front of a camera so that ultimately you could be comfortable with presenting in front of large audiences with real life people.
It can be nerve-wracking, especially if you've never done it before, and you learn that you forget stuff that you normally wouldn't forget. But when you're in front of a camera, it's like a whole different scenario, and you tend to lose your thought process, and it can definitely be devastating if you don't have any practice.
The class culminates in what is called a micro-teach, and that is where each of them individually has a topic that is 10 minutes in length that they have to present to the class. They have to incorporate good audio visuals, good eye contact with the audience, questioning, how to question appropriately, etc., which I think will really help them in their next couple of years as they have to present at grand rounds, as they have to present in other classes, etc. They find that getting this class early on really helps them.